Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2009 question 1b. This question gives us sin of x and asks us to find the value of an expression involving tan of x. The question says, if sin of x equals 8 over 17, find the value of tan of x over 1 plus 2 tan of x. We are given the sine of x. Remember, in a right-angled triangle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So if sin of x equals 8 over 17, then the opposite side is 8, and the hypotenuse is 17. Sin of x equals opposite over hypotenuse. But the expression we need contains tan of x, not sin of x. So our next goal is to find tan of x. To find tangent, we need the opposite side and the adjacent side. We already know the opposite side is 8, so we must find the adjacent side. Tan of x equals opposite over adjacent. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. The side opposite angle, x, is 8. The longest side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is 17. The side next to angle x, but not the hypotenuse, is the adjacent side. That side is y. Substitute the known side lengths. 17 squared equals y squared plus 8 squared. 289 equals y squared plus 64. Y squared equals 289 meters 64. Y squared equals 225. Y equals the square root of 225. Y equals 15. Now we have a complete right triangle. The opposite side is 8, the adjacent side is 15, and the hypotenuse is 17. Tan of x equals opposite over adjacent. Tan of x equals 8 over 15. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now substitute tan of x equals 8 over 15 into the expression. 1 plus 2 less than or equal to ft, 8 over 15. 2 less than or equal to ft, 8 over 15, equals 16 over 15. One plus 16 over 15. One equals 15 over 15. Let us simplify the denominator carefully. First, 2 times 8 over 15 gives 16 over 15. Now we add 1 to 16 over 15. To add the fractions, write 1 as 15 over 15. So the denominator becomes 31 over 15. 8 over 15 over 31 over 158 over 1531 over 15. So this simplifies to equals 8 over 1531 over 15. So this simplifies to equals 8 over 15 over 31. So this simplifies to equals 8 over 31. Therefore, the value of tan of x over 1 plus 2 tan of x is 8 over 31. Sin of x equals 8 over 17. Implies opposite equals 8. Hypotenuse equals 17. Substitute the known side lengths. Y squared equals 17 squared minus 8 squared equals 225. Y equals 15. Now, we can determine the tangent of x as 8/15. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.